21. Solve the equation 5 sine x equal to -3. So 5 sine x equal to -3. So sine x equal to -3 over 5. So x should equal to, okay. So first step, you need to find the reference angle. So reference angle is sine x equal to 3 over 5. You know the negative. So x equal to sine inverse of 3 over 5. You should get 36.9 degrees. Okay. Then next, negative. Negative just indicate in which quadrant. So A, C, D, S. We are dealing with sine. So sine negative, this is all, this is cos, this is sine, this is tangent. This is all positive. So sine negative, okay, sine negative is here and here. Final. So this one is 36.9 and this quadrant 36.9. So you should have two answers. The first one is here. So x is 180 plus 36.9. This should give you 216.9 degrees. And the second is from here, go all the way to here. Then it's 360 minus 36.9. You should get 323.1. So this will be your answer. 216.9 and 323.1 degrees. So remember, the positive, negative just indicate in which quadrant. And then you need to find what is the reference angle. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.